Want to know how to get the Universe ID of any games on Roblox on your PC or laptop? This is essential if you're working with scripts, data stores, game passes, or external tools that require universe-level access. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get the Universe ID of any game on Roblox. Without any delay, let's get started. So first, go to roblox.com. Now open the game that you want to know the Universe ID. Once the game's open, right-click on the blank area and tap on View Page Source. This will open up the page source for that game. Press Ctrl F on your keyboard. Now type Universe-ID and hit Enter. It'll highlight the Universe ID. Now you can copy this Universe ID and use it as you need. And that's how you can get the Universe ID and copy it. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.